Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable BitLocker on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Select BitLocker Drive Encryption. And then if it says it's currently on, just select turn off BitLocker at this point, and then you could go about turning it off and disabling it. You would likely need to enter in your administrator password in order to confirm that change, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.